Hello, Jason Rosenblum here with some IP basics. And in this video, I just wanted to talk about some trademark scams that are out there. So once you file a trademark, all your information is public. And what happens is there's these scammers out there that send out notices that they may offer an actual service, but most of the time it's an unnecessary service. And the USPTO has a whole website about this, and I'll share the link below. But they even have some samples. So, when you see something like this from the Patent and Trademark Office, it pretends to be from the US Patent and Trademark Office, which is not at that address, although it looks official. That's not where they're located. And, this one will do the renewal for you, which you do have to do. But usually they send them out even earlier than you need to, so you already pay it before it's necessary. Here's another one that has a reminder. This one is from the Patent and Trademark Organization in New York City, which is not where the Patent and Trademark Office is. Here's another one that's from the Patent and Trademark Bureau, which is in LA, which is also not there. So some of these are reminders which you do need to renew a trademark, and the US Patent and Trademark Office will send you a reminder. For an example, here is what one would look like. They would send it to you in the email, and it says that it's a reminder. It does not ask you to make a payment through here directly. You would have to go through the appropriate links at the US Patent and Trademark Office and show the appropriate evidence to renew your trademark. There's also other ones that will ask for, basically they'll publish you somewhere, and it's really a service that's not needed. You don't need to be published. Those ones you usually receive right after you file for a trademark, because within a couple of days of your filing, your information is public, and you'll get those in the mail, and it'll make it look like you still owe money for the trademark, but all they're offering usually is just to list you somewhere. Here's a similar one that I received from my domain website listing service. Essentially, they'll list my domain in an annual directory, which there's no reason for that, especially not to pay $228 for. So always be on the lookout if you receive anything from the US Patent and Trademark Office or purporting to be from the US Patent and Trademark Office. They will not send you a bill directly, and there's very few instances that they'll send you a bill. Usually they'll send you maybe a reminder. Most things you need to know when you have to pay it with the US Patent and Trademark Office. If you have any questions, if you receive anything, feel free to reach out to us. We're at 888-666-0062 or jhrlegal.com. Thanks for watching.